established in 2004. They specialize in intelligent toys such as electronic products, electronic robots, electronic remote controls, and educational robots. The company has a worldwide capability of exporting their products to North America, Europe, and other countries throughout. They have a long history providing excellent products that meets customer satisfaction. That's why they are a certified supplier. Now, with this type of product, what type of quality that you put into, what are the type of standards that you adhere to for this type of product and as well as other products?
Wow, actually, I believe for toys business, this is a very complicated product, okay? Then the safety is the most key part because we don't want any a child, they are being hurt when they pay these products. So from the design scratch, we already have our quality assurance people get involved. When you design the products, we already think about no matter what, to make sure that all child is happy.
Some of the certifications that they have achieved is the ICTI Ethical Toy Program, as well as the ISO 9000-2015 certification, as well as the Record of Participation, and to include a certificate from the Work Safety Standards of China. Right now, we're at the manufacturing production area of Lungcheong's factory. You can see they have a standard processing system and a strictly management system that allows them to produce OEM, ODM, and OBM products. They have a working area over 30,000 square meters that allows their employees to produce, assemble, and quality control all of their products that can be exported on the worldwide market. This is a great standard to have when you're a certified supplier with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. So as we take a panoramic view of the workspace, you can see the details that the staff put in on their production lines. And right now, we're actually in one of the areas where they're actually doing the product testing, the life cycle testing of the products here. So you have this magnificent toy here of the robotic man on a motorcycle, a tricycle. Actually, I don't actually know the name of that piece of equipment there. And you have here, which is very interesting, name is Milwaukee, but it's actually a Bluetooth player. As part of the Certified Supplier Initiative, it's important that the companies maintain the international standards so they can maintain quality of those good goods. Here you have an individual who's actually testing the attachment and detachment of the products that they provide to their customers, making sure that it meets all those standards. Now, you have a lot of other tests that are being performed here. You have over here, you call the compression test, impact test. You have the drop test area here, as well as the function test, electrical performance test area, and the impact. I said the impact test, but again, the impact test area. We're here at Lungcheong's Design and R&D section. This company has the capability of putting out hundreds of products every year based on their design and their R&D research. For example, we have employees here that making 3D renditions of this up-and-coming product that